like the chicken?
Chicken jockey.
I don't deserve you. You should be with a real girl.
Who are you? I am from ancient Greece.
La 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 lava, chicken. Steve's lava chicken, yeah, it's tasty as hell. Ooh, mamacita, now you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy, now you're having a snack. Ooh, super spicy, it's a lava attack.
Today, I wanted to eat a croissant. So I went to a place that sells croissant. And I bought a croissant. And I returned home with the croissant. And then I ate the croissant.
Flint and steel, chicken jockey, I am.
I'm a dog and I like socks. I like socks. I'm a dog. I'm a dog and I like socks. I like socks. I'm a dog. Give me that sock. Nom nom. Give me that sock. Nom nom.
Green beans, I don't like you. You know what that means? Four.
What are you making? Come closer. It's all right. Come on, I'm not going to bite you. Oh!
Hey, what time is it?
It's muffin time! It's muffin time!
Actually, it's 12:30.
Nobody can wait! It's muffin time! It's muffin time!
Actually, it's 12:30.
Nobody can wait!
Oh, what's wrong? It's gone. What is? My tarantula. Okay, was it in the jar when we left the house? Well, yeah, I was just feeding it. Doris, find the spider. Paul, I'm trying. Doris? Don't stress me, sweetie. Where were you feeding it? On the seat. I have a phobia for spiders, you know this. Paul, just calm down. Oh, God. Oh, man. Look under your seat. Look under Daddy's seat. Oh, man. It did. It's not there. Oh, sweetie, does it have a name? Can we call it? Man. Oh, God. Fred. Okay, oh, Fred. Fred, come here, Fred. Oh, man. Oh, God. Oh, man. Oh, God. We finally found Fred, and we've managed to put him back in the jar with chopsticks, which is how I was able to bring him here to show everyone today.
Let's go!
Every single day of the week I like to sing.
No, don't sing!
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Every single day of the week
All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the girls are yelling, yelling. All the yelling girls.
Yummy! What the what?
There's one more pizza left. I'ma get it. Nice.
Sir, can I please have the last slice of pizza?
It's 3 a.m. and yet I'm still awake. There literally no reason I'm still awake. My sleep schedule's destroyed, 'cause I'm stuck in a void, just trying to feel an ounce of joy.
Buddy, you want this cheese full? Oh my God! Hey! Cut it out! Cut it out!
just wanted to know if you wanted to cheese it.
I'm not a violent dog. I don't know why I bite. I do. I know why I bite. I know exactly why I bite. And as a matter of fact, I have rabies. And I will bite you again.
Don't touch my child.
Miss Albrecht! Who's touching the child? Don't touch the child! Don't touch the child! He's touching my child! You are touching the child! No!
Kaboom! Yes, we go. Kaboom!
Pass. 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 Smash.
No, the reason my internet's not working because I didn't hook my
First, get a jar. Patrick, that's a pickle.
Yes.
Ruth or Scare?
How about Scare?
Hello, Claire.
I'm the Grim Reaper and I have come to take your... Are you guys playing Candyland? Can I join?